Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, you know you're departed. What? The Grateful Gang, 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 Grateful Gang, 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 Grateful Gang, 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 Grateful Gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Over here, we do digital budgeting. I'm a single budgeter. I get paid bi-weekly. I do credit card reconciliations with my Capital One card, so many things, sinking funds, all the jazz, all the digital budgeting fun. I'm on a moderate income, trying to get up to the high income. I'm never going to claim the low income. So I don't know, whatever you consider it. We're doing our credit card reconciliation because it is one of my goals for June, that I do it at least once a week. Now, today is going to be a little different because normally I have it broken down each category, but this week was kind of like a weird week where I kind of started my goals weird. So I'm just not going to, like, with half of the money already spent and half of it not. So I'm going to start my new way of kind of reconciling, which is not really that new, on the next paycheck and being a little bit more precise. Let me give y'all a little quick little sneaky peeky. The new reconciliation is more like this: week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, being a little more precise. But for this week, we're not going to be too precise at all, hunty. We're just going to do this real quick, okay? So let's go find our last payment. Okay, so this is last payment, 541.21. Let's start here, 123.60. So beauty, we spent, if you put an equal sign in front of your things, you can keep adding with the plus or minus to make a function or a formula. So 123.60 was for hair. Y'all look at the hair. Look at the hair. It's still straight. I don't know how, by the grace of God, it is still straight because I'm absolutely a sweater. The front has started to curl up a little bit. I put a little twist up there. On this camera quality is not that great. I apologize. But I went and got my hair done, got it pressed, steamed, deep conditioned, trim. It had been over a year. It needed to be done. I had put money aside for it anyway, so I don't feel bad. That is the money. I had given a deposit before, plus this money, and I put her tip on there because she did a great job. So that's beauty. And Marathon is actually gas. So I'm just, for this paycheck, we're just lumping everything together. So that gas would come out of my cash envelope money. That's 2604. And then the next thing is Kova Beauty, which is another beauty purchase. That is because I needed to get things for my hair. I needed these silver pins so I could wrap it and not get dents in them. I needed a new shower cap so I could keep my head dry. And I needed some more oil because my oil was completely done. And then we have 323, which is Quick Trip, the same day, because which is going to come out of my cash envelope money. Kind of like for eating out because I hadn't eaten anything that day at all. So I stopped at the Quick Trip and I stopped to get snacks, which was a 784 as well. And those two things kind of, and I think I got food here. No, was this American Deli? Did I get that the same day? I was hungry, clearly. No, that was a different day. So I just was out there all day and I was hungry and I just needed to stop and get something. So I got food. Now 1514, I'm currently working on my guest bedroom. So there's a lot of things that you'll see come from Amazon and Goodwill because I'm trying to thrift some things. I'm trying to thrift some of the things, but I'm trying to buy some things like the wallpaper I bought. Like, I can't thrift that. So this here, 142.64 is actually the wallpaper, and I'm annoyed because I bought exactly the right amount, and one of them got so messed up. It started sticking to itself, and it was just a mess. It was just a mess. So I bought an extra one, and I bought a backup for the backup. So this was 142.64 for the guest bedroom project. Then the 45.78 were the curtains for the guest bedroom projects, both which I'm really in love with. So I'm glad I made those purchases. This 1415 was, like I said, it was eating out. I believe that might have been a Sunday. I don't remember. Marathon, that was snacks. This was before I put myself on like a stop buying the snacks at this gas station corner stores situation. So all of this is before that. So don't be judging me. Amazon, I mean, you can judge me, but it is what it is. 37.53. This was the replacement for those wallpapers I was telling you about. So that's gonna go under my humble home. Plus 37.53. Now, Popeye's was in the kitchen. Your girl was eating out, but like I said, this was kind of like, oh, I'm gonna eat what I want to eat before I have to go into like save mode. So I should be getting better over time. Plus 1176. Oh, that ain't it. Plus 1176 out of cash envelopes. Walmart. This was actually groceries. 38.53 for groceries plus 38.53. Move my head down here. And then here is another Goodwill, 23.50. So we'll add that to my humble home. So it's 23.50. And then Marathon again. Snacks again. But like I said before, it says June 6th, but this was before June 6th. This just posted. So then I was like, okay, Tara, you got to do better. And then Mad Max. So this was after June 6th, but I was buying myself lunch because I didn't have lunch. Wasn't prepared at all. And my coworker wanted to go here, or we chose here. So I did it, which was fine. It was good. It was burger, garlic parmesan fries. It was delicious. I actually hurt my stomach afterwards, but I didn't expect to spend $22. I actually expected that it was going to be closer to $15, but there was a tip, and I put a tip, and there was also like a donation to somewhere. So still, $22 to me was a lot, but everything is getting so expensive. Then I went and got my nails done. Lies. I went and got my toenails done, so I got a pedicure. I got my eyebrows done. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? They look nice. I don't do my eyebrows often. I actually don't do my toes that often because I get gel so that they can last a little longer. And that also included her tip. So that was $65. And that actually comes out of self-care, out of my everyday cash envelopes as well. I don't know why what's left is not calculating, because what's left is supposed to be this minus this. Okay. And then we have JJ Fish. This was after I went and got my nails done and my eyebrows done. And I just was like, I'm not going to go home and eat nothing. So I just stopped to get something to eat on the way. Cool. All right. So that is what we have. So we have a total of 621.68. Perfect. It matches up perfectly. 621.68. We need to move all of these out of their places. I have $40.27, you guys, to make it this week, okay? And I'm gonna say right now, like 30 of that probably is going to go to gas, because I'm gonna go get some gas after I'm done. So that's going to be gas. So let's say I have $10. There will be no eating out. I don't need anything for self-care. There'll be no, and I got $10 for groceries. So it just basically means that your girl will be shopping her pantry this week for meal prep, because she ain't really got it. So I'm going to try to keep that $10 in there just as a little buffer for anything crazy that happened. But we won't be eating out. We won't be stopping anywhere. No. So let's go ahead and schedule our payments. I move everything into my Tara's Major Keys, and then I move everything. Then I pay the credit card. We need to transfer money from Beauty and pray that we have it. I know it's about to be depleted, but I kind of already knew that. Beauty is only skin deep. Wait a minute. What was in there? Beauty is only skin deep. Sorry, y'all. It's 153. Okay, so we have enough. There's gonna be like $2 left in there. So we're moving 143.54 out. Oh, I'm doing it the wrong way. I need to choose. I'm like, what do you mean there's not enough? Because it goes red, and I'm like, what do you mean there's not enough? I just looked. This to Tara's Major Keys. It's telling me Tara's Major Keys doesn't have enough money to move that money. So 143.54, and this is for paying the credit card. This one includes the hair appointment. So why is it so high, girl? Why is it so high? Success. We've moved 143 to Tara's Major Keys. Now, so we've moved that. So we'll say that is green. Now, my humble home. So from my humble home, 22. Ooh, it's getting low already. To Tara's Major Keys is 264.64. And why is it taking me so long? Pay credit card. Yes, sir. Okay. Transfer. Boom. Success. Transfer that. And last but not least, cash envelope money. We're transferring from my cash envelope money to Tara's major keys. $213.50, and this is to pay the credit card. Success. I really love doing it this way, you guys, because I just feel like I'm able to use my credit card, get points, and have money to pay them. You know what I mean? Thank you, God. Like it does, and it also because I'm reconciling every week, it lets me see how much money I'm paying in each category, especially when I start doing it the new way on the next check. No, sir. I really should not be scanning too much outside of the humble home stuff. Next this week here, check in because we ain't got our money. Okay, we gotta have to figure out what we got in the house to make some. Okay, I think I do need to get some chicken though, or maybe I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I think I have some chicken thighs. I'm gonna have to do something. We're gonna have to do something, y'all. We're gonna have to do something, people. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the cord. Okay. And we're going to make our paramount for 621.68, 621.68, 621.68. And we're going to go ahead and continue. And I'm hoping that we're doing this on a weekly basis now going forward. We'll have smaller amounts to pay. We need smaller amounts. We need smaller amounts to pay, okay? My major keys, 261. Thank you for your payment. Your payment has no additional payment required. You have successfully made your payment, so we will say success, and we'll see that money go up. Give me my money. All right, guys. So that basically is it. Credit card will be down to 0 by Monday. Actually, we have something, like I said, that I picked up for the humble home, but that's okay. We are going to try very hard not to swipey this card. I am going to go, like I said, go look for a few things for the guest bedroom, so I might swipe on that. But we're trying not to swipe the card for anything else because swipe or no swiping. Yeah, pretty much. But thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my digital budget and my credit card reconciliation. If you liked the video and you've made it this far, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I know a lot of us are not commenters, although the comments help me, but give me a thumbs up. Even if you can't leave a full comment, hit your girl with a like. Not a like, hit your girl with a like, or hit your girl with a heart or a smiley face. I think those count too. Thank you so much. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. I know you can throw a little emoji in there. That ain't gonna take no time, Steve. Thank you for watching. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And it's faith over fear this year. Remember, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a. Jazz hands. Bye.